Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. The last part we have discussed the graphical representation of linear equations in two variables. In this video, we are going to discuss equations of lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Consider the equation x minus 2 equal to 0. This is a linear equation in one variable. Here the variable is x. So we get the value of x equal to 2 because x minus 2 equal to 0. Taking minus 2 to right side, we get x equal to 2. X equal to 2 we can represent on the number line. So the number 2 or x equal to 2 we can represent on the number line here. This is the number line and the point 2 is here. So this is the representation of x equal to 2 on the number line. Then how can we express this equation x minus 2 equal to 0 is a linear equation in two variables. We know the general form of a linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here ax part you can see, c also you can see, but by part means the term with the variable y is missing. So we can write there 0y and we can change this equation into a linear equations in two variables. So we wrote the same equation in the form of linear equation in two variables x plus 0y minus 2 equal to 0. Once again you listen, x minus 2 is a linear equation in one variable, so we can represent it on the number line like this. Again we changed the same equation in the form of linear equation in two variables. If we represent it on a Cartesian plane, we will get a straight line. So we can represent this linear equation in two variables on the Cartesian plane. To draw the graph, we need to find out the solutions first. So here we can give the value of y equal to 1. If we give here y equal to 1, we get 0 into 1. This part will become 0. So we get x plus 0 minus 2 equal to 0. That is x minus 2 equal to 0. So we get x equal to 2. So xy equal to 2 1. First solution is xy equal to 2 1. Next we can give a value of y equal to 2. Here we can give a y equal to 2. We get this part 0 into 2. This is becoming 0. So we get again x plus 0 minus 2 equal to 0. That is x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 2. Therefore xy equal to 2 2. So we get the solution 2 1 and 2 2. Now we can draw the graph. So we have drawn the Cartesian plane here. We have to plot the points. First point is 2 1. X coordinate 2, y coordinate 1. X coordinate 2. This is the point. So 1 unit up. This is 2 1. We can plot it. So we have plotted the point 2 1. Next point is 2 2. X coordinate 2. Y coordinate is also 2. X coordinate 2 is here. Y coordinate 2 means 2 units up. We can plot it here 2 2. So I plotted the point 2 2 also here. Now we can join it. So we have drawn the straight line. We can see it is a straight line parallel to y axis. And in last part we have studied all the points on that line are solutions. So we can find out some more solutions here. So I have mentioned two more solutions 2 3. If this point is 2 3 and this point is 2 4. All these are solutions. So this is the graph of the equation x minus 2 equal to 0 in two variables. This is the graph of the equation x minus 2 equal to 0 in one variable. When it was one variable, it was only a number line. When we changed it into two variables, we got a straight line parallel to y-axis. Next question, solve the equation 2x plus 1 equal to x minus 3 and represent the solution or solutions on first question number line, second question the Cartesian plane. So we need to solve this equation and we have to draw the number line of it and have to represent it on the Cartesian plane. The equation is 2x plus 1 equal to x minus 3. We can take this x to left side and this plus 1 to right side. So we get 2x minus x equal to minus 3 minus 1. So we get x equal to minus 4. Now we go to the equation in one variable. We can draw the number line of x equal to minus 4. X equal to minus 4, a negative value. So it comes in the left side of 0. So we have drawn the number line and you can see here it is 0, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This is the point x equal to minus 4. So we represented x equal to minus 4 or on the number line. Now we have to represent it on the Cartesian plane. So first we have to write this equation x equal to minus 4 in two variables. Y part is missing. You have to write there 0y also. So we wrote the equation in two variables x plus 0y plus 4 equal to 0. Minus 4 is taken to left side. It became plus 4. Now we can give the values. Here also we can give the values for y. So when y equal to 1, we get x plus 0 plus 4 equal to 0, x equal to minus 4. So first solution we get xy equal to minus 4 comma 1. Then when y equal to 2, we get x plus 0 plus 4 equal to 0, x equal to minus 4. Therefore, the second solution is xy equal to minus 4, 2. So, I have drawn the Cartesian plane. Now, we can represent the points on the Cartesian plane. First point minus 4, 1. X coordinate minus 4, y coordinate 1. X coordinate minus 4. This is the point. Then, y coordinate 1. So, 1 unit up. This is the point minus 4, 1. So, I plotted the point minus 4, 1. Next point is minus 4, 2. X coordinate minus 4, y coordinate 2. X coordinate minus 4 is this one. Y coordinate 2. So, 2 units up. This is the point minus 4, 2. I have drawn the graph of it. You can see a straight line parallel to y-axis. So this is the graph of this equation on the number line here and on the Cartesian plane here. Exercise 4.4 question number 1. Give the geometric representation of y equal to 3 as an equation in one variable. Second question in two variables. One variable means we have to represent y equal to 3 on the number line. Two variables means you have to represent the graph of y equal to 3 on the Cartesian plane. So, one variable means number line. Two variables means Cartesian plane. First, we can draw the number line. Case 1 in one variable, that is on the number line. Y equal to 3 on the number line. So, we have drawn the number line here. Y equal to 3, positive 3. It is right side of 0. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the point y equal to 3 on the number line. Now we have to represent it on the Cartesian plane. So we have to write it in the form linear equation in two variables. Here y part is here and constant number is there. Ax, x part is missing. So here we have to write down 0x also. So the equation is 0x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. 3 is in the right side. If we taking to left side, it is becoming minus 3. Now we can find out the solutions. Here it is 0x, so we can try different values for x. When x equal to 1, 0 plus y minus 3 equal to 0, y equal to 3. Therefore, xy equal to 1, 3. Then when x equal to 2, 0 plus y minus 3 equal to 0, y equal to 3. Therefore, xy equal to 2, 3. Now we can represent these solutions on the Cartesian plane. So I have drawn the Cartesian plane. Now we can represent the point on the Cartesian plane. First point is 1, 3. X coordinate 1, y coordinate 3. X coordinate 1, this is the point. So y coordinate 3 unit up. This is 1, 3. We can plot it there. So I plotted 1, 3 on the Cartesian plane. Next point 2, 3. X coordinate 2, y coordinate 3. X coordinate 2, it is here. Y coordinate 3. So 3 units up, it is here. So we go to the graph of the equation y equal to 3. It is a straight line parallel to x axis. Therefore, y equal to 3 in one variable is on the number line. In two variables is on Cartesian plane. It is a straight line parallel to x-axis. Next question, give the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 equal to 0 as an equation in one variables and in two variables. In one variable means on the number line. In two variables means on the Cartesian plane. First we have to change this equation. Equation is 2x plus 9 equal to 0. We have to change it into the form x equal to. So let us change. The equation is 2x plus 9 equal to 0. 2x equal to minus 9. Plus 9 is taken to right side. X equal to minus 9 by 2. So we get x equal to minus 4.5. A negative value. It is in the left side of 0. So we can draw the number line and mark minus 4.5 on the number line. So I have drawn the number line. X equal to minus 4.5. Minus 4.5 is the middle point of minus 4 and minus 5. In between minus 4 and minus 5, we can plot x equal to minus 4.5. Now we have to represent it in two variables. So here only x value and constant. We have to include 0y also. So the equation is x plus 0y plus 4.5 equal to 0. Here it is 0y. So we can give different values for y. When y equal to 1, x plus 0 plus 4.5 equal to 0, x equal to minus 4.5. Therefore, xy equal to minus 4.5 comma 1. Then when y equal to 2, we get x plus 0 plus 4.5 equal to 0, x equal to minus 4.5. Therefore, xy equal to minus 4.5 comma 2. Now we can plot these points on the Cartesian plane. So I have drawn the Cartesian plane. We can plot the first point. It is minus 4.5 comma 1. X coordinate is minus 4.5, y coordinate is 1. X coordinate minus 4.5 is in between minus 4 and minus 5. Y coordinate is 1. So 1 unit up. Here minus 4.5 comma 1. Second point minus 4.5 comma 2. X coordinate minus 4.5. Y coordinate is 2. 2 units up. It is here. So I have drawn the graph. This is the graph of 2x plus 9 equal to 0 in one variable, and this is the graph of tx plus 9 equal to 0 in two variables. First one is on the number line, second one is on the Cartesian plane. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.